Hey everyone, what's going on? So today I'm actually going to be teaching you on how to make my version of Dubu Jiggae. Just to be honest, it didn't come out so well, but I mean, at least I tried, right? So the materials you're going to need the Korean red pepper, some chicken granulate. I know you guys use anchovies and stuff like that, but I don't like the anchovies. You're gonna need 2 slices of ginger, minced garlic, some shallots, clams. We have the mussels, and then we added some corn in there, which was amazing. 2 cups of water. I actually added 4 cups. Sesame oil, and then here's the brand of peppers that I use. And then we have our soft tofu. Okay, so you're gonna start off with putting the heat on low heat and then add your 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I actually added 4 tablespoons, sorry guys. I know this is my first time making this dish, so I apologize in advance. Go ahead and grab your shallots and garlic and go ahead and stir it into the sesame oil. Now add in your Korean red pepper and your chicken granulate and stir it into the shallots, garlic, and into the sesame oil until it comes into like almost a paste. Kind of, yeah, it looks like a paste. Now go ahead and throw those 2 slices of gingers into the mixture and make sure you smell the fragrance of the ginger a bit. And now go ahead and add your 2 cups of water and stir everything together. Okay, now I'm letting everything boil. See, it looks actually really good right here. And then like towards the end, I just don't even know what happened. I don't know. All right, you're gonna go ahead and grab your clams and throw it into your soup. Now go ahead and grab those mussels and throw it into your soup as well. Okay, now add 2 more cups of water into your soup. Now you're gonna go ahead and mix everything around together. Okay, now my favorite part of the soup, which is the corn. Go ahead and throw it into the pot. Go ahead and make sure that the corn is submerged into the water so that way it can go ahead and boil correctly. Now go ahead and throw your jjigae into the soup, which means soft tofu in Korean. And now you're just gonna go ahead and break it up into like thick pieces. I like my tofu thick, but obviously it came out really small, but it's fine. Let it boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. On this part, you're gonna go ahead and keep checking on your soup to see if it's okay. In this case, it was. Woohoo, now the soup is all done and boiling. It looks good, but then I think when I added the egg into it, it kind of made it a little weird. But it looks good though. And here goes a little blooper for you guys.
Blooper.
Okay, so here's how you should break the egg with one hand. It's really hard, but I did it. All right, now go ahead and pour your little soup into your bowl. And this is how it came out. It kind of looks more like a Taiwanese soup, but it was really good. I would rate it like a 8.5 out of 10. I mean, I don't know. It's pretty good. But here's the finished results. I added some green onions on top just to make it look a little nice. And yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, everybody.